everybody, this is my first video, so I'm going to be doing a video on this Virginia State Police Ford Taurus. I just got in the mail today, so yeah. Anyways, the box is kind of open already. It's a little cracked right there. You can see it's chipped. There's the car. It's 143 scale. So, oops, sorry. There's the front end. So, the front end, it looks pretty good. I bought this on eBay for 55 bucks. So, the back antenna fell off. It was already broken, so when I got it, it's right here. I don't know. Yeah, I won't go back in there. So I just keep it right there with the board. Anyways, so this was a short video on this. I liked it. It's good detail. It's really meant to be collected, but I just put on your shelf or something. Anyways, yep, that was my first video. So hope you enjoyed. See you guys again soon. Bye.